Hello there everybody, and today I'm going to be unboxing these wireless earphones from SM Accessories. My sister bought this while we were there, and they're pretty good. They were on sale, and yeah, if you convert this 299 pesos, that's less than $6, so pretty good deal. I'm not sure if you can get this on the internet, like through online shopping, but yeah, here it is. So just take this off right here. Let's open this flap, and alright, so you can see here are the earphones. You've got a micro USB cable for charging, but you can use your normal smartphone charger or whatever with micro USB. You can see it's not really focusing, but let's get that out of the way. See, I think this is a manual. Yep, it is a manual. Not gonna read that. You can see this is what it looks like. See, and here's the other side. So let's get this out of the way too. You can see it's pretty interesting here. We got some extra ear tips. If the other ones wear out, I'm not sure if they're a different size, but let's see if they're actually a different size. So let's take these off. See, it's also got this it's like wire here, and this is supposed to go around your neck so that it's not gonna get lost. So here is the extra ear tip compared to the stock one. I think it's smaller, or yeah, I think it is smaller. But yeah, here they are. So to turn them on, let's get this out of the way. To turn them on, just need to hold this for about 3 seconds. I'm just gonna put this in my ear. That way I can know if it's actually gonna turn on. Let's see. No, it's actually the right one. There we go. So we're gonna be pairing this. Here's my phone. Let me turn on the brightness of this. So let's go to Bluetooth, more devices, and let's scan for it. I think it's this one, SM ACCS men's. Not sure why it's named that way, but it is what it is. See, it said connected, so we're gonna test it out. Let's see, let's just try this one. No, that's too loud. Yeah, they're pretty good. They've got some bass in them. Pretty decent for the price. I'm gonna put the other one as well. Yep, they're pretty good. Let's see. Yep, pretty good. So you can see it's pretty so yeah, that's all for this video, and if you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel to support me. And yeah, we're just gonna disconnect here, so stay with our friends. Goodbye.